Good morning, and how are you this fine Saturday morning? Me? I'm great! Why am I so great? Because it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good weekend. We're gonna have a good time. But on a more serious note, let's try to go to the ATM again and try to get my wife's money. Alright, we got the money. Now we can put gas in the truck and keep driving. Yippee-ki-yay! Can you believe that my wife didn't know her passcode for her thing? She has either one number or another number. And I'm like, how do you know what your passcode is? Do you guys want to know? Alright, here it is. Like, I'm gonna tell you her passcode to her debit card. Are you crazy? It's 4 numbers, I'll tell you that. We are in the garage, the infamous garage with a Chevy Impala. What year is this? '03. And it's got a Misfire number 4. We were told this by the trusty Snap-on brick. If you are a mechanic or work with cars, you might know what that is.
Yard.
So how do you feel about your car being broken?
I'd like to be able to drive my own car again.
You would like to, huh?
Yeah.
We are going for number 4. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, right there, number 4 wire.
So these are the kind of problems you have when your wife starts the car on fire.
Remember that. Don't let your wife drive. I'm gonna get a lot of flack for that, aren't I? The car is leaving. It is leaving. You are done, car. We did not fix everything, but we fixed what we could. What did we fix, Jesse?
I don't know really. Oh, we fixed the coil so it wouldn't misfire.
We made it no more misfire. Yes, okay. We don't know why ABS light on. We don't know why other things happening, but we are done. Screw you, car. Get the hell out. I am beat. Working all day really kicked my butt. And I'm dirty, so I'm gonna jump in the shower, then I'm gonna eat something, and then I'm gonna play on the internet, and then that's it. See you when I see you.